creates a list of criteria based on the curriculum expectations to provide a lens through which to assess the final piece of writing. A similar checklist would be co-created by the students and teacher after examining many effective paragraphs. Students would understand exactly what is expected of them. During the 3-week teaching block, the teacher decides to explicitly teach features of a text form through read aloud, then follow the gradual release of responsibility model and involve students in a shared reading and writing experience. Before giving them an opportunity to apply in practice what they have learned, the teacher decided that it was important to make the reading-writing connection through exposure to effective writing.
It's important that the kids see the connection between reading and writing on an ongoing basis. When we're working with a mentor text in writing, we make clear the connection between the writer and the reader, that the reader is the audience for the writer. And when we're reading it, we also want to look at that piece through the lens or the eyes of a writer, so we can identify what makes that writing strong, so that we can try to do that in our own writing.
The data analysis showed that my children in the classroom needed help with word choice, literary devices, and as well putting voice in their writing. So we began with Voices from the Wild by Dave Bouchard. This was a collection of poems about animals, and it had to do with all kinds of sensory perception, and it was full of good words for the 5 senses. So we took poems from there, and the children picked out words. We did some read-alouds, some shared reading with that, and independent reading with that one. Imagine a Day is another book that we looked at for very short quips for good word choice. And we got some great adjectives and adverbs and some very strong verbs.
Students listened to and read well-written pieces and deconstructed the writer's craft to determine why they were so effective. They would then incorporate the features from the mentor text into their own writing. During the independent writing time, students who needed extra support would be called together to work in a guided writing group. During the 3-week block, students would work in flexible groupings according to their needs. Students would engage and talk with their peers to clarify their thinking, get feedback on their writing, and to reflect on the writing process.